Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and this is my weekly update video. Plus, you can see what we got going on with our challenges going on. So first off, if you see my last video, I just showed you a whole bunch of pumpkins. Well, here is version 4. This is the fourth version of making this pumpkin, which I think I started with the yellow, which was going on the outside, and then on the knitting machine, then I did the green, and then the inside is the orange. And then yeah, we stuffed the orange, cinched the bottom of that, and then the orange went through the top. I like how the stem turned out. So we just sewed the crap out of the stem. So yeah, I think either version 3 or 4, I think so far worked out the best. And you can kind of see a little of the green in there. So yeah, there's probably yellow pumpkins. My son and I were at the grocery store, saw green pumpkins. So I'm beginning to think that they're coming in all different colors. So this one just happens to be yellow, but you can see some of the orange through it. Yeah, I'm liking these pumpkins. Okay, so on this other hat, well, is the Bag O' Day hat, which was the bag pattern for Mad Me Miss Crochet and Farming. She's doing the Bod Hat Palooza, and the Santa hat was the hat for this past week. Well, here's the start of it, but I did get it, on hers, you can see a seam. Yeah, I got it where there's no seam. It is, I follow, like I have a ring hat tutorial that makes it, well, almost seamless. You can see, well, I don't know, I can't find it right now. There's some kind of, okay, it's probably right there. It's somewhat, a little bit obvious, but I think some of it's because I was drawing up the yarn there, but, and at some point I decided, hey, let's just have double crochets, and I don't know what I was thinking, and then I got to the point where it's like, I'm not gonna wear this hat, and I don't think I'm gonna donate this hat, so I stopped, and I'm gonna frog this Santa hat. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna make a Santa hat in the future, because my grandson said now he wants one, so I'll have to make him one. But I'll probably use like the white and the red, because that's what he wants for a Santa hat. So we're gonna frog this project. Okay, so now my shawls I got going on. This one is part of the Mystery Yarn Challenge that is now hosted by Elaine O at Penguin Place Crafts. This was a scrap yarn challenge. If you remember, I had to frog it because the ends were increasing too much. So I'm almost at the point where I frogged it. So there. And then I'm also, yes, I was going back and forth, so it's going to pull more in some places than others. But I think I'm much happier with how the ends are. They're not increasing too much. So we're liking it. We're liking how this is turning out. So I'm working this one mainly at work. And I'm seriously regretting picking this as my whip for my Whip It Challenge for September, and that is now hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef. Well, if anything, it looks like it looks like a small baby blanket. So the one skein, I'm almost done with the one skein. So this will give me an idea about how many I will need to finish the shawl, and probably for sure at least 3, but I don't think no more than 4, and I can get this done. But the colors do look pretty cool. So yeah, this is the Fairyland yarn. That's Fairyland from Temu, or Temu. Yeah, very soft. Yeah, these are, it's gonna look cool, but I'm hard pressed to think that I'll have this done by the end of the month. But at least with the challenge, it was been sitting in the wayside for a while. At least we picked it up and we're working on it. But I will try, but I don't think I'm really thinking that I probably should have picked one of my other many whips that are sitting on the wayside. And when I frogged one of the socks. I guess like the hat is like, I probably was not going to wear it. I guess the sock mojo is gone, so now I ripped out my sock and I'm going to make a little gift bag with it. I got like multiple strands holding together and I think it's looking cool, but I think I'm going to have to try to, after it's done, I'm trying to think, block it, yeah, because it's being weird right now, but look, it'll be like a tiny, tiny gift bag. Maybe a tutorial. Or the pumpkin. Pumpkin tutorial will have to wait till after I have the current project on the knitting machine, which is another scarf. Let's see, I got this basket going on. Yeah, this is the rewind tape yarn, and I think that's a good yarn. 2 strands of the rewind tape yarn hold together, and I think it'll make a decent basket. Speaking of baskets, my sister and I are doing we're exchanging crafts because she's into scrapbooking, card making, and I was wanting some Christmas cards. But in exchange for the Christmas cards, I'm making her a basket or 2. Well, that's this one. And this is like the t-shirt yarn. Like this t-shirt yarn found on Amazon. I think I like this stuff for baskets and purses too. I think it's gonna turn out nice. I just hope I got enough because I barely got the base done and my first ball's almost finished. Because I think I wanted to make 2 baskets and I probably have enough for the one big one. So this is my handy basket crochet tutorial. One of my most popular, it's not one of, it is the by far most popular pattern and video on my channel right now is this handy basket. Alright, I know I have others. Obviously, still on year-long temperature scarf. I think I'm now starting to write a couple of days. Just doing stuff. I used to do one every day. I think I started, okay, I'm going to keep track of maybe 2 or 3 days in a row and then work on it at that. Anyway, I have that. I have this other, yeah, I know, it's kind of twisting. It's another tote, it's the tote bag. I think it's going to be a long and tall and skinny bag. It's like that, make it with scrap yarn, like that. And, I haven't torn all this sock yet, but this is, I know, don't look like a sock, but it's going to be a tube sock. Got that one still yet. And at some point it's going to go around, finish this bag. I found this for the lining. It's the bag and the handle. Not sure what's happening with this yet. I just started it's like a swatch right now. It's Tunisian crochet. I'm using my double-ended hook. Over here. Double-ended. I have a video that says, why would I use a double-ended hook? And if I find that video, I'll leave that one in the description too. So, okay. That is it. That's all I have. Oh, and I want to remind you, I still have the playlist giveaway going on for September. Low entry. I know I have like 3 people. I have 3 people submit me entries this month so far, so I know we're only halfway through the month, but just want to remind you that I still have that going on if you want to participate. So I'll have that video in the description. Check that out. So that is all I have for now. If you did like this video, please give a like. See more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.